Hey Shannon, where are your castmates? Yeah, it's pretty weird. I think, did they go out to get pizza?
Yeah, I think so.
Hi. Here we go. Good.
Okay. No, you. No, you.
Hello? Hi. Yeah, oh, well, the doctor's office was leaving a message. So, you must have called when it...
I'm right over here.
What?
Hello?
Oh, wait.
Right here.
There?
Right here.
Oh, okay. What'd you say?
I'm right here. Hello. I'm right here.